Keep your pool crystal clear with reliable circulation, powerful filtration, and energy-efficient performance designed for effortless summer enjoyment daily. Today, we're going over the best above-ground pool pump from our top picks: quiet operation, strong water flow, long-lasting durability, and simple maintenance. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. Vivohome 115-volt Pool Pump. The Vivohome 115-volt Pool Pump is a powerful and reliable solution for pool owners looking for strong water circulation and long-term durability. Designed with a high-performance motor capable of delivering up to 6,800 gallons per hour, this pump efficiently keeps both in-ground and above-ground pools clean and properly filtered. Its self-priming impeller helps reduce operational noise, allowing smoother startups and quieter performance compared to many traditional pool pumps. Built using a stainless steel shaft and a 3/16 mechanical seal, the pump offers impressive resistance against corrosion and wear, making it suitable for continuous outdoor operation. The fiberglass reinforced housing enhances durability while protecting internal components from heat and environmental damage. A large strainer basket captures debris effectively, helping maintain consistent water flow and reducing maintenance frequency. The transparent lid allows easy monitoring, while the built-in thermal overload protector prevents overheating. With dual voltage compatibility and flexible adapters included, installation becomes simple and convenient for most pool systems. Number 2. AQUASTRONG Pool Pump. The AQUASTRONG Pool Pump stands out as an energy-efficient and versatile option designed to deliver powerful filtration while reducing operating costs. Featuring a dual-speed 2 HP motor, this pump provides both high-speed performance for rapid circulation and a low-speed setting for everyday energy savings. The built-in programmable timer adds convenience by allowing automatic filtration schedules, helping pool owners maintain crystal-clear water without constant manual adjustments. Suitable for both in-ground and above-ground pools, the pump adapts easily to various pool systems, making it a flexible upgrade choice. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included dual adapters and a long UL-certified power cord, ensuring quick setup even for beginners. Safety and durability are enhanced through its ETL-certified motor, offering dependable long-term operation under regular use. The energy-saving low-speed mode significantly lowers electricity consumption, making it ideal for extended filtration cycles. Backed by a 2-year warranty, this pump delivers reliable performance and smart automated pool maintenance. Number 3. INTEX SX2100 Pool Pump. The INTEX SX2100 Pool Pump is a user-friendly filtration system specifically designed for above-ground pools requiring efficient and low-maintenance operation. Equipped with INTEX hydro-aeration technology, this pump improves water circulation, increases filtration efficiency, and enhances overall water clarity by introducing beneficial aeration into the pool system. With a pump flow rate of 2,100 gallons per hour, it provides consistent performance for pools up to 12,800 gallons, making it ideal for medium-sized backyard pools. One of its biggest advantages is the simple installation process. Users only need to connect hoses and plug the unit in to begin operation. The built-in 24-hour timer allows automatic cycling with preset running durations, reducing manual maintenance while keeping water fresh throughout the day. Designed for convenience and reliability, the pump offers steady filtration performance without complicated setup requirements. For homeowners seeking an affordable, efficient, and easy-to-operate pool pump, the INTEX SX2100 delivers dependable, everyday results. Number 4. Lanchez 3500 GPH Pool Pump. The Lanchez 3500 GPH Pool Pump offers an excellent balance between efficiency, durability, and advanced filtration performance for above-ground pool owners. Powered by a 3/4 HP motor, it delivers a strong flow rate capable of filtering pools up to 11,000 gallons quickly and effectively. The reinforced thermoplastic filter tank enhances structural strength while resisting corrosion and outdoor wear, ensuring long service life even under regular seasonal use. Its copper motor design improves energy efficiency and reduces electricity consumption by up to 20%, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term operation. A standout feature is the versatile 7-way valve system, which allows multiple filtration modes, including backwash and rinse functions for simplified maintenance. The anti-turbulence design improves water flow stability, helping maintain consistently clear and algae-free water. Easy installation and reliable after-sales support further add value, making this pump a dependable filtration system for maintaining a clean and healthy swimming pool environment.
Number 5. FOTING 13,000 Gal Pool Pump. The FOTING 13,000 Gal Pool Pump is designed for pool owners who want powerful filtration combined with convenient automation features, featuring a 1 HP motor capable of producing a strong 3800 GPH flow rate. This sand filter pump effectively circulates and cleans pool water for above-ground pools up to 13,000 gallons. The integrated sand filtration system delivers professional-level water clarity by trapping debris and impurities more efficiently than many standard filter systems. One of its most practical features is the multi-function 7-way valve, which combines filtration, rinsing, backwashing, recirculation, waste removal, and winter preparation modes into a single, easy-to-use system. The programmable 24-hour timer allows users to schedule automatic filtration cycles, reducing energy costs while maintaining consistent water quality. Designed for quick setup, the pump comes pre-assembled with essential components, including a pressure gauge and multi-port valve. Overall, it provides reliable performance, simplified maintenance, and excellent convenience for everyday pool care. That wraps up the top 5 best above-ground pool pump. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.